Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand name Eucerin. This is their intensive repair lotion. I paid $15 for this lotion and we get 500 ml product. This lotion is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free, but this is not silicone free. If you're going to use this product on your face, this is not fungal acne safe. And if I'm not wrong, Eucerin is not cruelty free. So this is a mineral oil based lotion. Mineral oil is the second ingredient. Mineral oil will lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. And they also added dimethicone in this, silicone. Dimethicone lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss as well. And this also has a fatty alcohol. This has glycerin, a great humectant. I purchased this lotion because this has urea and lactic acid. They didn't mention the percentage of urea and lactic acid. Lactic acid is really down in the ingredient list and urea is in the second row. Urea and lactic acid both are not only hydrating and moisturizing, but both also exfoliate the top layer of your skin. Let's talk about my experience with this lotion. So they said this is rich and this is very rich. This takes a lot of time to absorb and it's also very difficult to spread unless you apply it right after taking shower when your skin is still damp. Then it's a little easy to spread, but this is difficult to spread. Let me show you. This is a very thick lotion. I mean, mineral oil is the second ingredient. I was expecting it to be thick. It looked very shiny, very oily, and it takes about 5 minutes to completely absorb. So let's talk about my experience with this lotion. Since I started using this lotion, the health of my nails improved so much. Urea and lactic acid both are great for your nails. I don't know if you can tell, but my nails are really shiny now. My nails are really healthy now. This improved the health of my nails so much. Like I said, urea and lactic acid both are great for your nails. This is also great if you have really dry legs, dry and itchy legs, because this is super moisturizing and it takes time to absorb. This is great if you have really dry legs, if you have really dry feet, if you have cracked heels. This is a great option. Don't expect miracles. Give this product some time to work because urea and lactic acid, they are down in the ingredient list. They didn't mention the percentage of urea and lactic acid. This will take time to work, but you will see results. If you have dark elbows, knees, knuckles, ankles, this is a great option. Please don't expect miracles, overnight results, because this takes time to work. I only use this product one time on my face in winters. This was too moisturizing, it was not absorbing, so I never used it again on my face, but this is a great body lotion. The reason why I will purchase this again is this improved the health of my nails so much. This is a great lotion for your nails. My nails are so shiny now. It improved the health of my nails so much. This is too rich. It takes forever to absorb. I don't like that, but this is a great body lotion and yes, I will purchase this again. The reason is, like I said, this improved the health of my nails so much and I will purchase this lotion again for that reason. I think this lotion is great for people who have really dry skin, really dry legs, itchy legs. I think you will really enjoy this lotion. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.